7 Sigma Off-Grid.
So Southern California has a storm and it is raining outside. Much needed, much needed. We are going to have a storm which will last for about the next 5 days or so. So it should be interesting going to the property. But in Rawa's fashion, he has been in preparation mode. So he's at the gun store purchasing another gun. I think we got enough guns, but in his mind we don't. So that's where we are right now. And then we're on our way to Laos. What?
Why you all in my face?
You know what I was thinking?
What you be thinking?
Is it called cylinder blocks or cinder blocks? I couldn't.
Cinder.
Cinder?
Cylinder blocks.
I said cylinder blocks, cinder blocks. I don't know, some type of block.
Round blocks.
I was like thinking, how are we gonna work in the rain?
It's gonna be interesting. It's supposed to rain for how many days?
4 or 5 days. You got rain boots? Or mud boots? We ain't gonna need rain boots. We need mud boots. It's supposed to rain 4 or 5 days straight.
Y'all see this?
Look at that.
Y'all see that?
That's some fraggle naggle.
And of course we don't have no gutters. We can't catch no rainwater. We just all
butt out.
Yep. What a waste. So Saturday video might be lame. It might get rained out. Just sitting up at the spotlight.
We can have the audience watch movies with us. What are you getting brought in?
A pallet.
A pallet of
cinder blocks.
Is that it?
Some rebar and stuff on there too.
What else? You don't know what you purchased?
I forgot. I'm still missing stuff. I gotta come back next week and get cement.
I think you're doing extra. We can't do it a different type of way.
This is the easiest way.
That's the easiest way for the foundation.
Easiest way.
I don't know why I thought it was going to be easier than some major construction.
It's not major. Baby construction? Baby construction.
Alrighty, you starting to look like Santa Claus, a black Santa.
Ho, ho, ho's.
Seriously, your beard is white. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What happened to the black beard? I remember when it was just all black.
Yeah. That old sexiness right there.
That's the
Yeah.
So I have a question for you. We are taking the van. You have a lot of stuff that
It's heavy.
is heavy and needs to get off the van, right? So I'm just concerned, are we going to be able to get up the driveway?
We're gonna find out. If we don't,
We'll have to carry it.
we could.
Oh,
Just gonna be taking a center block at a time.
Oh my gosh, no, seriously.
Yeah, I gotta get it off because I gotta go to work. It's gotta get off this weekend.
So what if we can't get up the driveway? We're going to have to go back home and put all the stuff.
I have to go get the tractor,
How
come
heavy
down.
is a cylinder block or cinder block?
I think they're like 40 pounds each, and I got 26 of them.
That's a lot of going up the driveway with 40 pounds each.
All right, have a good one. Tie this crap up.
Okay, so while you are tying stuff up, I had a question.
Yes.
Never mind, I forgot my question.
You getting old.
Okay, so I remember my question. So we don't have a 4-wheel drive and our driveway is messed up, which was why we were trying to hurry up and fix the driveway, at least as much as we could before the rain comes. The rain is here. Winter has arrived.
And we ain't ready.
And we're not ready.
How you gonna buy some property in the mountains and not have a 4-wheel drive?
Yeah.
That's some hustling backwards stupidly.
Yeah, well, anyway.
We'll get one.
We'll definitely get one. We have to get one. So my concern is us driving up the driveway because it's going to be muddy. So if we can't get up the driveway, we're going to have to carry, manually carry in the rain.
Nope, we'll just walk up there, get the tractor, drive it back down, put as many blocks as we can in the bucket and take them up there.
But will the tractor be able to
make it?
Are you sure?
I need you to be positive. I need you to have some hope.
I'm positive I have hope. I'm positive I have hope. I just don't know. This is new for us, especially with all this rain that we're getting.
It'll be fun. About to play in the mud.
Yeah, but I'm not excited.
2-wheel drive vehicles.
If it's raining too much, what we're going to do is have some tea and watch some movies. Yeah.
Y'all won't be getting no video because we won't be doing nothing.
Nothing.
Especially if we get stuck.
Yeah.
Then they get a video, y'all can watch the AAA come pick us up.
Oh, don't say that. AAA might not come out there. How are we going to get in contact with AAA?
We won't.
Exactly.
We'll just be living there. But officially we'll live there.
So I'm busy worried about the driveway. I completely forgot about the dirt roads.
The problem is going to be getting to the property.
Because both ways are, and it's all dirt and hills to get to the property and mud. Yeah.
And if the other road floods out, we have to go through the mountain. You know, the other road always floods out.
Oh,
so we
yeah.
can't
So
go
we
that
would
way.
have to take
the other way. And that's,
but I don't
that's
think
rock slides.
Oh, yeah, that is rock slides. Well, we have a lot to be concerned about. So when you're looking for land, take into consideration weather, rather it be snow, rain, whatever weather there may be. Can you get to your property?
Can you get to it
easily
during crazy weather?
During crazy inclement weather. We are going to find out this weekend and take you guys along with us.
It's going to be interesting.
So, yeah.
Right now, we're going to Stillwater.
You're not going to Stillwater. Why you tell people that?
I'm a criminal.
You should. You shouldn't say that.
Criminal.
We're not going. We're not going to Stillwater.
We're gonna go buy water with these little tokens.
And we're not criminals. I just want to make sure put that on the record.
Eminem song. I'm a criminal.
Okay, so another issue that we were talking about is
Power,
electricity. No sun all weekend because usually the battery would have had
they can charge back
time to charge. There is no sun.
So we're breaking out the generator and the charge better and see how all that stuff really works.
And if we don't have sun, we have to be very mindful about how much
we use.
Power we are using.
So the batteries are full right now. Everything's 100%.
Right.
But once we eat through that, we got to break out the generator.
So that means no heat. I like to have the fireplace going a little bit.
We're going to turn on the heat, but
fireplace.
it's going to be very measured. Like, turn it on for a minute. Okay, cool. Turn it back off.
Yeah.
We'll see. Well, this is all new.
Yeah.
This is all going to be a learning experience.
And I need to have my hot water for a shower.
There you go.
Yeah, hot water for a shower. The water heater.
Yep.
Runs off of batteries, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So we have to take all that into consideration, and it's going to make for a very interesting weekend.
Very.
So let's see what happens. So we are at the water place where my husband filled up for the totes. This is not our drinking water.
Nope.
This is our
Wash our behind water.
Okay.
What'd you say?
Nothing. I'm just, oh my gosh. Okay. This is not our drinking water. This is our tote water.
This is our wash our butt water. Get me some gloves. Give me some gloves. I just stabbed myself with rebar.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Any blood?
I don't know. We'll find out later.
You'll be all right.
Put some rubber tussin on it.
Look at you about to fall.
Put some tussin on it.
Wow. Interesting.
Hey.
Huh?
I got a 22. That's for hunting quail.
22?
For shooting smaller game.
Okay, so he got a 22 because of y'all. I just want to let y'all know that because a lot of y'all were talking about those quails that we have, and everybody was like, you can eat the quails, you can hunt the quails, you can shoot the quails.
We're going to shoot the quail.
He's going to do that. I'll watch. Well, I'm not even going to watch that because I don't even want to watch you shoot no bird.
You're going to skin it.
I'm not skinning nothing. Oh, I'm
surprised. You got a picture in.
I'll cook, but I'm not skinning.
You ain't cooking because you don't cook.
Well, I will. I don't know how to skin a bird.
Put your weight up. You got to contribute.
I do contribute.
You got to contribute with some dirty work.
I play in the dirt. I play in the dirt. That is dirty work.
When shit pop off, if you don't put in no work, you don't starve.
Okay, so I'm from the city, but my family is from the south, and they eat deer and rabbit.
Possum.
They do eat possum, although I haven't had possum, but I had deer and I've had rabbit, and both of those are really good. And I've also had alligator. Alligator is really good as well. Duck is good. Have you ever had duck? No?
I'm a regular Negro. I see chicken and beef and fish.
So you're talking about surviving. Are you going to be able to eat deer and rabbit and quail and all of that? All right, so when we get our first quail, we'll see if he eats quail.
I'm gonna cook it. Season it up.
Okay.
Cook it up like it's chicken. Barbecue sauce on that barbecue quail.
Remember, you're going to. Exactly. I can see you already in just go home mode. Yes. We got more places to go. Okay, guys. I'm gonna get you guys off camera because I know you guys don't want to be with us during our traveling around and stuff. So talk to you later. Bye.
Ain't nobody done. Just went there to get some more water, drinking water, and some salads and all that girl stuff. Come on here, woman. Come on here. All I see is cheesing. She's just cheesing.
So just like in Rah-Rah's fashion, I said bye because I thought we were done.
No, we're never done.
But we have more stuff to do. So we're about to go finish preparing, getting shopping for the weekend.
I gotta cook food for the weekend.
And so we're going to shop for the weekend. And then we'll be done.
Gotta.
So now say bye. Thank you for joining. We'll see you next time.
Gotta.
Bye.
Peace. Gotta.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.